Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I want to introduce myself. My name is Reshan Rohma. I am a student at the Creative Media State Polytechnic, program studi fotografi. Here I will present an article entitled Photography Business. Next, list of activities and ASP for photography business. Number 1, short article about photography. 5W1H, verbal and nominal sentence, tenses and in pattern, activity and passive construction, lift of vocabulary, translation in Indonesia, reason why writer stance. Yang pertama ada 5W1H. Ada should start a photography studio business, and seterusnya must have is professional photography. Yang kedua ada who has an interest in the world of photography. Answernya to have an interest in the world of photography are of course everyone who has an entrepreneurial spirit in themselves. Yang ketiga ada what are the elements of a photography triangle. Jawabannya, the photography triangle is built on the basic of three like producing elements, namely shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Yang what kedua ada what function business photography for beginners as a decoration to beautify the office, increase employee morale and confidence, increase company credibility as attractive promotional material. Yang terakhir, create a quality company profile. Yang kelima ada where to take a good photo shoot. Jawabannya, a photo studio is also a good idea for rent. Where yang kedua, where can we do photography? You can do photography anywhere, whether indoor, outdoor, at the beach, in the mountains, even above scripts. Ada why should photographers understand the triangle of photography? Jawabannya, because without having a solid understanding of ISO, shutter speed, and aperture, it will be difficult to take good picture. Next ada why is this a good time to get into the photography business? Jawabannya, because photography is a flexible business. Ada when was the DSLR camera invented? Jawabannya, DSLR camera was invented in 2008. Ada how to start a photography business for jawabannya, determine the initial business concept and brand identity, perform market segmentation, choose a location on workforce, focusing photography equipment, prepare portfolio dan do marketing, prepare initial capital. Yang terakhir ada how to technique for studio photo. Ada jawabannya. Yang one, know you camera, background, lighting, shutter speed, tripod, settings, reflector, color blends, upper window, natural door, ambient light, pay attention to the photo shoot, on light search. Selanjutnya next ada verbal and nominal. Verbal ada create a skills company profile, increase employee morale and confidence, photography must know and master this basic technique, clients are happy to pay to capture the moment, this is one of the way to increase, you can start your own business, others enjoy managing work process, you can design the place, all you have to do first is choose a suitable location, promoting business file for anyone. Next, nominal. Nominal ada there is also a can for success, business photography function for beginners, photography studio photography business is a good idea, some business owners prefer to work every day, photography you can do anywhere, the basic in photography is known as the photographic triangle, photographer is also a flexible business, there is a technique that becomes absolutely necessary to know, starting a business is always a good idea, the photography business becomes a business fault. Next, aktif dan pasif construction. Yang pertama ada clients are happy to pay to capture moment, aktif, to and rain moment gladly pay by the clients, pasif. This is one of the easiest ways to increase profits, aktif, increase profits on of the way to was this, pasif, you can start your own business, aktif, business can be you start on, pasif, others are happy to manage the work process, aktif, managing the process job can be happy doing, pasif, you can design the place, aktif, design a place you can do, pasif, all you have to do first is choose a suitable location, itu aktif, choosing the right space is the first thing you should do, pasif, promising business file for anyone, aktif, promise business file for anyone, pasif. Next, list of vocabulary. Nomor 1 ada successfully, spellingnya successful, meaningnya berhasil. Yang kedua opportunities, spellingnya opportunities, meaningnya pulang. Yang ketiga atmosphere, spelling atmosphere, meaningnya suasana. Ada renowned, prospect, promising, interest, entrepreneur, arbitrary, employees. Meaningnya ada suasana, merenovasi, prospek, menjanjikan, minat, wirausaha, sangat, karyawan. Next ada tenses and pattern. Sentence-nya ada starting a photo business is a must for professional photography. Tenses-nya present continuous tense. Yang kedua working at proms and wedding, trial launching a photo startup. Tenses-nya present continuous tense. Yang ketiga and business oriented person can rent a place to set up good photo studio and get to work. Tenses-nya past tense. Yang 4 the prospect of this photography business became real when the DSLR camera was invented in 2008. Tense-nya past tense. Yang kelima all you have to do first is choose a suitable location, renovate in and promote it. Tense-nya simple past tense. You can start your own business, then hire a skilled photography or to grow with it. Tense-nya present past tense. Yang ketujuh you can design the place, create a nice atmosphere and offer rooms for rent. Tenses-nya present past tense. Yang ke-8 you can do photography and both indoors, outdoor, on the beach, in the mountains, even on top of sky. Skripsi present past tense. Yang ke-9 if you to work weekend you can, masuknya ke future perfect continuous tense. Yang 10 in the work of professional photography there is a technique that is absolutely essential to know, masuknya simple present tense. Next translate to Indonesia business photography. Business photography studio foto. Next please sum up the article by explaining the reason why author as the tense, because the author wants to know about an interesting history of photography and the development of photography following the times that are increasing in the future. Photography has many branches everywhere. Thank you. Sekian presentasi dari saya. Jika ada salah kata mohon dimaafkan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.